Same-sex marriage. Everyone's heard about it. No one likes to talk about it. But right now, the highest court in the country is discussing it. Hence, we need to talk about it. This is a pivotal moment in Indian history because starting next month, India's Supreme Court is going to start hearing the final arguments to legalize same-sex marriages in the country. Why has it taken so long though?
I think the time that really matters is the time between Navtej Johar, which is 2018, and now, which is 2023. Because to assure marriage equality, you need people coming forward, asserting their right to be in a couple and claiming a right to marriage, which can't happen if they are also admitting to a crime.
Currently, there are more than 15 petitions filed and
the big ask, the dream, is marriage equality for all persons that would allow two people in India to get married irrespective of gender identity and sexual orientation. They can be two men, two women, persons with undefined gender, and they should be able to get married. That's the big ask.
now here's where it gets complicated. While these petitions are being heard in the highest court in the country, many prominent politicians have opposed it.
Same-sex marriage would cause complete havoc with the delicate balance of personal laws in the country.
The federal government has also filed a very strongly worded affidavit against the petitions in the Supreme Court.
The centre says, one, that marriage is controlled by personal laws in India, that is, laws that are particular to religion, that marriage can only be between a biological man and a biological woman. The second thing that centre expresses concern over is how something like marriage will fit into the socio-cultural narrative of India, and they claim that it won't, and therefore it is a matter for Parliament to debate on the floor and pass a law on. It is not something that judges should enter into. And thirdly, they are very concerned about the impact of marriages between persons of the same gender or sex on possible children.
This is why the outcome may or may not be that absolute in India.
I mean, there's several possible outcomes, of course. It's possible that the court agrees with the centre that the existing matrimonial laws cannot be read in a gender-neutral manner. The other possibility is that the court thinks that some, but not all, matrimonial laws can be read in a gender-neutral manner. LGBTQ persons would be permitted to marry under the Special Marriage Act, but not the Hindu Marriage Act. That's a possibility. It's also possible that the court holds that while you can't get married in India, you can get married abroad and have that marriage recognized in India. Lastly, the court could also hold that civil unions are entitled to recognition and would attract protection from the laws of India, and therefore there would be a recognition of civil unions rather than of legal marriage.
If the ruling does go all in favor of the petitioners, then India will become the second country in Asia after Taiwan to recognize same-sex marriages. The final proceedings will be live streamed, so all eyes are set on 18th of April when the Constitutional Bench will hear the final matter.